Of relief for people most vulnerable to the coronavirus. Hospitals across Florida will soon get more doses of the vaccine. This is News 6 at 11. I'm Matt Austin.
And I'm Lisa Bell. The new shipment will go to high-risk patients, some of them under 65 years old. News 6's Nikki Zizaza joins us now live tonight with the new developments. And Nikki, there has been a growing push to get these patients vaccinated.
That's right, Lisa. Since the rollout of the vaccine, people 65 and under with comorbidities have not been able to get the vaccine. But now hospital systems are prioritizing this vulnerable population. But it's after elected officials sent letters to the state and people started filing complaints. State Representative Carlos Smith says the state's decision to send another shipment of doses to hospitals earmarked for people under 65 and at risk comes after growing pressure from those with underlying health issues.
We just heard from so many constituents, not only in the Orlando area, but around the state, who were these vulnerable at-risk population that couldn't get answers from the state or from hospitals on how to get vaccinated.
This just days after hospitals exhausted the first wave of supply for people with comorbidities. 28,500 doses distributed to 33 hospitals.
The state has just announced that they're allocating another 28,500 again, this time to 33 hospitals, telling them to prioritize those younger than 65 with comorbidities.
500 doses allocated to AdventHealth, one of at least 7 hospitals in Central Florida, expanding eligibility to people considered highly vulnerable to the virus once again.
And then open it up to other populations that we know to be at risk. These would include things like people with lung disease, COPD, those that may have cystic fibrosis.
Governor Ron DeSantis' executive order gives hospital providers the power to administer the vaccine to people with comorbidities. Still, Smith is calling on hospital systems to identify exactly who is eligible.
I think people would be less frustrated even if they weren't eligible, but that they understood what that eligibility process was so that they may have some hope about when the vaccine will be available to them finally.
Now, earlier this week, AdventHealth says they've been trying to get more vaccine. In fact, they say they requested 40,000 doses from the state. However, were only approved for 500 doses. From I'm live in Orange County, Nikki Zizaza, Getting Results, News 6.
Nikki, thank you.